Access Arkansas is a website for Arkansans to apply for DHS benefits online. We're updating Access Arkansas to make it easier to use and give you more options to apply and manage your benefits online. The new Access Arkansas lets you apply for services for your whole family at once and report changes to the information DHS has about you and your family. If you already get health care from DHS, you can use Access Arkansas to renew your health care, read your letters and notices online, and check the status of your applications and renewals. The new Access Arkansas will make it more convenient for you to manage your benefits on your schedule and give you a one-stop shop to update and change your information quickly and easily. Some of the new features include a single application for programs for your entire family, a way to report changes and manage your information easily online, renewals that you can fill out online that keep the information you gave us before so you can update or change it in one place. You can view notices and set account alerts to get updates about your benefits. And you can upload documents directly to your account so there's no need to mail or drop off paper copies. Visit access.arkansas.gov to see the new Access Arkansas and create your new online account. If you have questions about the updated Access Arkansas, visit our website at www.humanservices.arkansas.gov or call the DHS helpline at 1-855-372-1084. You can also call or visit your local county office.